This is a greater flameback, also known as Chrysocolaps lucidus, is a stunning Asian woodpecker. It boasts a fiery red crown, black and white stripes on its back, and a distinctive appearance. This bird is an adept forager, using its strong beak to tap on tree trunks for insects and larvae. During breeding, males display their fiery crowns to attract mates. They nest in tree cavities, sharing incubation and chick rearing duties. The greater flameback helps maintain forest ecosystems by controlling insect populations. In essence, it's a captivating and ecologically significant bird of Asian woodlands.